in order to be on top of what you want to do academically and athletically, you got to eat right. Teaching young people how to cook, what to cook. What I try to do is teach them things and put them in front of people like Chef Cross and individuals like them that can help them not just learn what to eat, but how to cook it for themselves.
What we're doing today is trying to teach these local athletes how to meal prep for 3 days at a time. So all kind of healthy and kind of quick. So if they come home after practice and they're starving, they'll have something and they're ready to go. This is something that people actually want to learn in the community. So we're trying to enhance this meal prep program. Cooking is fun. Cooking is easy. Easy with easy.
It's been great. They're having a lot of fun. A lot of them that thought they could cook realize that they can't. But it's good. They come in there, they get humbled, but they're learning something. It's all about learning, you know. When you're young, the more you can learn, and when somebody can put you in a position to learn those things, I think it always works out.